Is it started? Okay. Okay, fine. Hello everyone. My name is Revant, and we are from Group 9. Right now, we are doing the assignment related to data scraping and analysis report. This is Intro to Data Analytics course. And before that, let me introduce about my team. So my team is of like 6 members. These are our team. This is my name. Darshak, Vikas, Akhilandeshwari, Gautam, and Revati. So these are our teammates. Now we are going to explain about like what and all we are gonna do in the coming up slides and everything. So let me just tell you briefly what we are gonna do. We are doing data scraping and analysis report. So in this, like we are investigating about 2 Python programming language based web scraping tools. In this, first we are gonna explain the architecture of the scraping tools, and the next we are gonna extract the data and import to a CSV format. Then we are using this scraping tool to extract the stock market data here. Okay, we are taking one URL in it and we are exporting that data into the CSV. Okay, and after that, after exporting, we will get the new CSV for file. In that file, we are gonna show some plotting related data from the internet. Okay, let me just go through the slides. So this is a slide about the current topic, and let me just so these are the 2 popular based web scraping tools we have used here. So one is Beautiful Soap and another one is LXML. So what is a Beautiful Soap? Like, coming to the architecture, Beautiful Soap is a Python library for parsing HTML and XML documents. It provides a simple intuitive methods for navigating and searching the parse tree created from the HTML content. Beautiful Soap does not make HTTP request itself, so you need to use another library like request to fetch the HTML content from the URL. Once we have the HTML content, you can pass it Beautiful Soap for parsing and extraction of the data using various methods. Coming to the features, these are the few features which has for the Beautiful Soap. It supports parsing of HTML and XML documents. It provides the methods like find all, select, and select one to search for the specific element in the parse tree based on the tag names, attributes, CSS selectors, or XPath expressions. Okay. Beautiful Soap offers different parsers for parsing HTML, including the built-in HTML parser and external parsers like LXML and HTML5 library. Okay, the usage is something like this. First, we have to install Beautiful Soap using PIP, as we already know about this. When you're taking any libraries, you have to use PIP, right? So use a request to make an HTTP request and retrieve the HTML content from URL, which you are gonna see on the code in some time. And we are passing the HTML content to the Beautiful Soap for parsing, and use Beautiful Soap methods to extract the desired data from the parse tree. Optionally, we can also export the extracted data to JSON or CSV format for the further processing. This is what we are doing. Like, we are exporting the CSV format. Okay, and coming to the next one, it is about LXML, and it is also a Python library for processing XML and HTML documents. It provides a fast and efficient XML parsers with the support for XPath and XLT. The main feature includes XML parsing, XPath querying, and XLT transformations. It is built on the top of libxml2 and the libraries XLT libraries, which are written in C and known for their speed and reliability. And coming to the features, it supports, as you know already, XML and HTML documents, also XPath querying. It also provides a support for transformations for converting XML documents into different formats. And coming to the usage install XML. So this is what we use for installing this library, and use the request library to make an HTTP request and retrieve the HTML content from URL. Pass the HTML content to the XML's HTML parser for parsing. Use XPath expression to query and extract the desired data from the parsed HTML tree. Optionally, we can also, so this is what we can do. And let's delve into the architecture of Beautiful Soap and LXML. Okay. So coming to this Beautiful Soap, the architecture is something like this. Like Beautiful Soap serves as a powerful tool in Python for extracting the data from HTML and XML files. It provides a user-friendly interface for navigating and searching through the structure of parsed HTML document. Beautiful Soap relies on external parsers like LXML or to handle the actual parsing of HTML content. When coming to the LXML, this is what the architecture says. LXML stands as a robust library in Python for parsing XML and HTML documents. It is built upon the library XML2 and library XSLT libraries offer high performance and readability. XML provides a comprehensive set of tools for processing XML and HTML content, including parsing, querying, and transformations. The next steps, now that we have covered the architecture of the both tools, we can proceed with demonstrating how to use them for data extraction and export. Okay. So for Beautiful Soap, we have three terms: make, use, and export. Okay. These are the 3 points which we are going to use in the code. First, we are fetching the HTML content from the web page using a library like requests. Okay. Pass the fetched HTML content with Beautiful Soap. And coming here, use Beautiful Soap's method like find or find all to locate and extract relevant data from the HTML based on tag names, attributes, or CSS selectors. Export the extracted data to JSON or CSV format for the further analysis or storage. Okay. Now coming to the LXML, this is what we are going to do. Fetch the HTML content, same like before. Okay. And here we are passing the fetched HTML content like XMLS HTML parser. Here we are using XPath expressions or CSS selectors to locate and extract relevant data from the parsed HTML tree. We are exporting the extracted data to JSON or CSV. So as usual. So this is how the all steps whatever we have discussed. So this is how we have to use it. Like pip install Beautiful Soap 4, and in this code you can see that the extraction happens, extracting the data from the web page. As you can see, this is a URL you have to give. This is some random URL. We will give the actual URL in the code like it is there in the code. So this is how the code looks like during the extraction from the web page. Okay. And so exporting the data to JSON or CSV. So this is how the code looks like when we are exporting the data to JSON. Okay. So you can see the code here. Likewise, you can just replace your own JSON files here and own column names, whatever it might be. Okay. And putting all together, like we are gonna combine all these three together and we get the actual result here. Okay. So as you can see, replace HTML with our actual, that is what we had done in our code, and adjust our CSS according to our needs and requirements, and processing the process the extracted data as needed and export it to JSON or CSV format. We have used the CSV format, guys. Okay, and yeah, this is also same like the previous one. You will install the LXML and extracting the data. It is much more similar than this, and you're using a little bit of like HTTP kind of status code and all here. Okay, and this is related to the extracted data to JSON. Okay, same like before, and we are putting it all together. We get to get the required result. Okay, now web scraping stock market data with Beautiful Soap. So this is what, like in this session we will explore how to utilize Beautiful Soap, a Python library for parsing HTML and XML document to extract stock market data. This is what we are doing from Yahoo Finance. So this is what we are actually doing. We have taken Yahoo Finance and we are extracting the data from the URL. Okay, we'll walk through the code snippet provided below, which demonstrate how to scrape the most active stocks from Yahoo Finance and export the data to a CSV file. So this is all about, like, this is actual code we have used in our Jupyter notebook, which I'm gonna show you now. First, let me explain you about the code, like what is it all about. Okay, we begin by defining the URL of the Yahoo most of the active stock page. Okay, so this is a URL we have used, like most active stocks. Okay, next we send an HTTP GET request to the URL using the request library. You can see here we are using HTTP GET request to the URL. Okay, here, upon successful retrieval of the HTML content, we use Beautiful Soap to pass the content and navigate through the HTML structure, right? So where can you see the Beautiful Soap here? Um, yeah, you can see this one, right? Soap equals to Beautiful Soap. So this is what this step says, that like we are parsing the HTML content using Beautiful Soap. Okay, and we locate the table containing the stock data using Beautiful Soap find method. Yeah, you can see here we are using find method to find the data, and we are locating the table. Okay, and a CSV file named stock data.csv. So as you can see here, stock data.csv. We are creating this CSV file. Okay, I'll show you the how the file is getting created and everything. I already executed the code, and the CSV file is in my local. I'll show you that also. And we iterate through the rows of the table and extracting relevant information such as company name, symbol, and these are what we have taken into our CSV file as of now. Company name, symbol, and price. Okay. So this is what you're gonna get from the web page only for these columns. And the extracted data is written to the CSV file row by row using the CSV.writer module. So this is what the whole code says about. Okay, and coming to the next one, so the usage and output. Upon the execution of the code, the script will scrape the stock market data from Yahoo. That's how we have done, right, and save it to the CSV file named stock underscore data.csv in the current directory. The CSV file will contain columns for company name, symbol, price, with each row representing a different stock. Okay. So what is the conclusion behind the Beautiful Soap? It simplifies the process of web scraping by providing a user-friendly interface for navigating and extracting data from HTML document. By leveraging its capabilities, we can efficiently gather valuable information from websites like Yahoo Finance for further analysis and decision making in the financial domain. Okay, and this is something like we had with the plotting of the data from the CSV file which we have extracted. and web scraping stock market data with LXML. Okay. In this session, we'll delve into the using LXML, just like a Beautiful Soup, a powerful Python library for passing XML and HTML document to scrape stock market data from Yahoo Finance. The code snippet provided below demonstrate how to extract information about the most active stocks from Yahoo and save it to the CSV file using XML. Okay. So the code explanation begins like this, like we begin by defining the URL of the I have selected same thing, Yahoo most active stocks page, and we are sending HTTP GET request to get the URL using the request library. You can see here we're sending the GET request, and also here we are upon successful retrieval we parse it XML dot from string. Here you can see the from string. And we are locating the table containing the stock by searching for elements with the class name 100% W100. So it's something similar like if you have this kind of class name, you're gonna get the elements, and CSV file named stock underscore data lxml.csv is created to store the extracted data. We iterate through the rows of the table, extracting relevant information such as company name, symbol, price, volume, and market cap. The extracted data is returned to the CSV file. So this is what all the code says. We have two code, which is one is related to Beautiful Soup, and another one is related to LXML. So these are the two Python libraries which is used for data scraping from the websites. Okay, so these are the two Python libraries we have used so far, and let me show you the usage and outputs. Upon the execution of the code, the script will scrape the stock market data from Yahoo, the same thing as before. And you might be having some column names like company name, symbol, price, volume. I have used some more columns here, and representing a different stock. Okay. So the conclusion of this one is like XML offers a robust solution for web scraping tasks, particularly when dealing with complex HTML structures and large data sets. By leveraging its functionality, we can efficiently extract valuable information from websites like this, Yahoo Finance. And finally, the plotting of the topmost 10 expensive stocks here. And so this is how the plotting looks like. And now I'm gonna show you the Jupyter notebook. So this is how the Jupyter notebook says. Okay, so whatever the code we have seen so far is here. This is related to Beautiful Soup, and you have a link and everything. Okay, as you can see here, when I run this one, the stock data is scraped successfully and saved to stock data.csv. So let me show you the file where it got saved. So you can see this file, right? Data scraping. You can see this one, stock day underscore data.csv. I'm opening this one in Excel. Okay. So as you can see here, we got company name, symbol, and price from the URL, from that URL. You can also check the URL here. This is a working real-time URL from Yahoo. Okay. See, these are the these are the symbols, and we have taken some values columns from here. Okay, not every column, like whatever. I have taken only 3 columns from here. Okay. So this is how we extract the data from the websites. This is using so beautiful soap, and let me come back here. So after that, I have taken that CSV file and exported, like plotted here with the x-axis stock price and company here. So as you can see, we had some plotting also with the stock data.csv using beautiful soap. And coming to the XML, LXML, here also we are doing the same thing. Stock data, as you can see, stock data LXML, right? Just open with Microsoft Excel. You might be having two more extra columns here, since I have taken two more extra columns. Both are doing the same thing, but I just want to show you like how can we do the extraction here. Okay. So this is how we have created the CSV, and also I'm plotting the data here like as usual. So this is all about our two Python libraries. Like, so this report says like we have used two data scraping Python library. In summary, with the tools of the data scraping, okay, with the tools of the data scraping and data analysis, we have gained valuable insights into the stock market, and helping us make smarter investment choices and seize the opportunity for the growth. So by this way, we have taken the financial like stock market so that you can make the smart investment choices, and also see the opportunities for the growth. So yeah, this is all about our presentation on two Python library for the data scraping. Thank you. We can stop the recording now.